What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I was actually debating if I wanted to make this video that I'm doing now, because like I really wasn't doing anything too, crazy. So I was like, I don't know if this is anything anybody would want to see, but I'm like, this is technically the first like cosmetic mod to the 240. So I was like, I guess this is kind of cool. So all we're doing today, though, is we're gonna be putting on these mirrors. No, they're not real Ganadors. Before anyone asks, I know somebody may have been thinking it. They're not real Ganadors. I'm very, very aware of that. But yeah, I'm not gonna pay for real Ganadors. Not right now. Maybe in the future. But we finally are gonna get the 240 off from underneath the tarp. It's been a minute since we've done anything with it, because there's just been, well, I just got, because of COVID, like I said in my last video, wasn't really able to do anything. And also we just been waiting on stuff to get here, so we finally get to take this tarp off. So let's go ahead and get working, because I'm actually kind of excited, because I've been wanting to do something on any of the cars for like a little bit. I just haven't had anything to do, but now I finally have something to do. So let's go. It's been a minute since this thing has even seen sun, so this is nice to actually look at the car. I kind of forgot what it looks like. So, like I stated, the main thing we're going to be accomplishing is getting these mirrors on the car. But while we're doing that, I have other things that I kind of want to look over and kind of just assess on the car, because I'm trying to get a checklist of these pieces that I need right now, because like I say, that's the first cosmetic one for the car, and I'm kind of starting to piece together some more of these little pieces that we're going to need for the outside of the car. Give you guys a few examples, show you what I'm talking about. Like, I'm currently sourcing new like trim, because this is, as you see, this is ugly and peeling, and this isn't even like on all the way, it's a gap here. So we're getting all new for both sides, getting new these. I have more of these on order, some actual carbon fiber ones. It's just little replacements for this, to get rid of this old, ugly, just, spotted up plastic. Stuff like that, we're going to be refreshing the whole car, of course, obviously. And the engine, once it gets here, all that's going to start going as well. So hopefully this thing's going to, the way this thing is moving is going to seem like it's moving real quick. So good. Alright, so what we're going to start off with is building the mirror itself. The way it works, like right here, you can see how it has an L. This one has an R. Clearly left side, right side. On the inside of your mirror, you see an L, so that's the left mirror. So what you do, you take this panel, and essentially it lines up with the mirror, kind of like that. I'm actually kind of get it how it's supposed to, so you guys can see. So hold on. Alright, so as you see right here, I have the panel right here on there, so it'll sit on the car like that. It'll be replacing the old crusty one on the outside with the new one, so that's nice also. Now what we're gonna do with the hardware they gave us, we're gonna take these small screws first and attach the plastic piece to the mirror, and then those big brass screws right here you see, they replace the little bolt, the OEM bolts that hold in the regular mirror. So you use these instead of putting the old ones back on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these mounted up and show you guys kind of actually how they actually sit in there, and then we're gonna put them on the car. Alright, and like that, it's mounted up, and it looks pretty good. Not actually, no, I thought that was a gap. That's actually it's actually pretty good. It doesn't look too bad, considering they're not, you know, these are GK Tech ones. Not bad. Not bad though. Alright, so there was this little plastic back piece. Took that off. We're gonna clean this thing up because it's old and dirty. Just kind of give it a little wipe down. And I have power windows actually on this 240, which is actually kind of crazy. I'm gonna be getting rid of that feature, but it's fine. So I gotta unplug this right here, and then I'll unhook the wire, and then these 3 10 mils, undo those, and then the mirror's just gonna come out, and I'm gonna tape this up so that these don't get damaged, and I will be probably selling these, to be honest, because I'm not gonna need it anymore. I'm not putting them back on the car. Alright, so I've got this unplugged. There's a little clip right here. I'm gonna get a clip puller and just get up under there. Get a clip puller under here. Pop this clip out. Undo this wire. Make sure that's loose. And we're gonna do our last screw. And then, just like that, the window's out, or mirror's out. No, it's not staying up.
Oh, hey.
Alright, I'm about to see what it looks like for the first time with the mirror on. Close it up. And I think I like it, boys. I do. I think I do like it. Nice right there. We're gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then after that, we're gonna kind of just puddle around it some more, see what else we can do. We have this side complete now, and we've got mirrors both sides, and I do like it. These are nice. They look good. The gapping is like not terrible, so that was really the only thing I was kind of worried about. I was like, I hope the the alignment and everything of it isn't terrible, but they look really good. Happy with how those came out. We got the metal that's in between here nice and cleaned up since we had those off and everything, so that's really nice to see. So the first cosmetic mod for the 240 is officially done. So I mean, I guess you can say it's technically not stock body anymore, I guess, if you want to get technical, whatever, I guess. But now what I'm gonna do, the focus, the headlights, I don't know if, I mean, I've mentioned it before, but the headlights that I bought for the Focus, these aftermarket ones that I have, they are super like dim, and like I can't see anything at night. And now I work at nighttime, so when I'm driving home it's dark outside and I would like to be able to see, you know. So I'm gonna take these out. I'm gonna see if maybe like the lamps need to be adjusted, or like upwards or down or something, and maybe all the lights not hitting the road or something. I'm not too sure. So I'm gonna mess around with them, and if I can't figure anything out, I'm gonna put the OEM headlights back in, because I need to be able to see at night. So, you know, it is what it is. I like these headlights. I really wish I didn't have to go, but if they're not working correctly and doing their job, I mean, it is what it is, you know. Well, sadly, we had to take these out for now. I'm not giving up completely. I tried this little, I don't know what you would call that, a little thingy right there. You could turn it. It says like left and right. I tried turning it, seeing if maybe it adjusted the lamp or something, you know, anything. I didn't notice any difference. It is also daytime. I might try this again later at nighttime, but for now, we got the stocky boys in. For now, I mean, they don't look terrible still, so I mean, it's fine, I guess, but I did like the other ones. But for the sake of being able to see, I guess it's worth it for now. Like I say, I mean, worst case scenario, maybe we can get some different ones and something else. Maybe just, we won't get those again. Maybe we can, I don't know, probably get rid of those and maybe just get some different ones or something. Who knows? But for now, we're going back to the stock headlights. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Kind of sucks about those headlights. Kind of wish I could have figured something out, but I mean, maybe there's definitely other options out there. There's plenty of stuff. I'm not done giving, you know what I'm saying. We'll get them back to Tremaine spec soon, but for now, stock is the way to go for safety reasons. I'd rather be safe and not die because I can't see. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed me installing those new mirrors on the 240, or if you just want to support, hit subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, hit the like button for me and leave a comment saying whatever, saying anything. Let me know how your day is going. Let me know how a build of yours is going, or what anything you got going on. Let me know how it is. I will see you guys next video. Stay safe, guys. I'll see y'all later.